Hey everyone, it's Casey Neistat here. You know that heart-pumping, palm-sweating cocktail of excitement and anticipation that surges through you when you're about to embark on a journey? Whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long expedition, that feeling is what travel is all about. But before you hit the clouds, there are a few things you've got to lock down to make sure your trip is smooth sailing from start to finish. We're talking about those crucial pre-flight rituals, the things you absolutely got to do before you even think about stepping foot on that plane. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 commandments of pre-flight prep, the essential steps that'll transform you from a frazzled flyer into a travel ninja. We're talking about maximizing your time, minimizing stress, and ensuring that your journey is as epic as the destination itself. So buckle up, grab your boarding pass, and get ready to conquer the airport like a pro. Let's do this. First things first, people. We're living in the age of information, which means there's absolutely no excuse for getting blindsided by delays or cancellations at the airport. Before you even think about packing your bags, check your flight status. And I'm not talking about just glancing at your ticket from 3 days ago. I'm talking real-time, up-to-the-minute updates. Download your airline's app, set up those notifications, stalk the departure board online if you have to. Knowledge is power, my friends, especially when you're navigating the chaotic world of air travel. Knowing your flight status is like having a superpower. It lets you plan your trip down to the minute. So be proactive, stay informed, and become the master of your own travel destiny. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Let's talk about the holy trinity of travel documents: your passport, your visa, if required, and your boarding pass. These aren't just pieces of paper. They're your golden tickets to adventure. Treat them with respect, reverence even. First up, the passport. This little booklet is your key to unlocking the world, but it's also surprisingly easy to lose track of in the chaos of packing. Don't wait till the last minute to start digging through drawers and frantically searching under beds. Find it now. Check the expiration date. You'd be surprised how many people get caught out by this. And keep it somewhere safe and easily accessible. Next, your visa. Not every trip requires one, but if you're jetting off to a country that does, make sure you've sorted it out well in advance. Visa applications can be a bureaucratic maze, so give yourself plenty of time and triple-check the requirements. And finally, the boarding pass. Keep these documents together in a safe and accessible place. Listen up, because this is crucial. Your carry-on bag is your lifeline, your best friend, your survival kit when you're trapped in the air for hours on end. This isn't just about packing light, it's about packing smart. First, the essentials. We're talking medications, a change of clothes, and any important documents you don't want to trust to the baggage handlers. Keep these items together in a separate pouch or compartment so you can access them easily. Next, think about comfort. A neck pillow, an eye mask, noise-cancelling headphones. These are the tools of the trade for any seasoned traveler. Pack strategically. Do you have to for the weigh-in? Don't get caught out by baggage fees. We've all been there, right? Standing anxiously by the check-in counter, watching the scale tick higher and higher, praying that your overstuffed suitcase doesn't exceed the weight limit. It's a nerve-wracking experience, and one that can be easily avoided with a little bit of pre-planning. Invest in a luggage scale. Seriously, it's one of the best investments a frequent flyer can make. Weigh your bags at home before you leave for the airport, and I guarantee you'll save yourself a ton of stress and potentially a hefty fee at the check-in counter. Remember, every airline has different baggage allowances, so make sure you're familiar with the rules before you start packing. Don't try to be a hero and cram everything into one bag. If you need to check an extra bag, so be it. It's better to be safe than sorry. Chapter 5. Dress for success and comfort. The airport runway is your catwalk. Let's talk airport style, people. I'm not talking about rocking up in a three-piece suit or a ball gown. I'm talking about finding that sweet spot between looking somewhat presentable and being so comfortable that you could practically sleep through turbulence. Think layers, layers, layers. Airports and airplanes are notorious for their unpredictable temperatures. Wearing layers allows you to adjust your temperature as needed, ensuring you're comfortable throughout your journey. Next up, footwear. Leave the stilettos and flip-flops at home, folks. We're talking comfortable, supportive shoes that can withstand hours of walking through sprawling airport terminals. Chapter 6. Juice up. Your devices are your travel buddies. We live in a digital world, people. Our phones, tablets, laptops, they're not just devices, they're our lifelines, our entertainment systems, our connection to the outside world. And there's nothing worse than realizing your battery is about to die when you're stuck on a long-haul flight with no access to an outlet. Before you even think about leaving for the airport, make sure all your devices are fully charged. We're talking 100%, no excuses. And don't forget to pack your chargers. Keep them in your carry-on bag so you can easily access them during the flight or while you're waiting at the gate. Consider investing in a portable charger. These little lifesavers are a godsend for travelers, giving you the power to juice up your devices on the go. Chapter 7. Beat boredom. Download your entertainment arsenal. Let's face it, even the most seasoned traveler can get a little stir-crazy on a long-haul flight. The key to surviving those hours in the air, having a solid entertainment arsenal at your fingertips. Before you leave for the airport, take some time to curate your in-flight entertainment. Think about what helps you relax and pass the time. Are you a movie buff? Download a few new releases or revisit some old favorites, more of a TV show addict. Catch up on the latest episodes of your favorite shows or finally start that series everyone's been raving about. Don't limit yourself to just movies and TV shows. Podcasts are a great way to learn something new, catch up on current events, or just have a good laugh. And if you're a bookworm, download a few audiobooks or ebooks to keep you entertained. Let's be real, airport food is notoriously overpriced and underwhelming. And while those airplane meals might evoke a certain nostalgic charm, they're not exactly known for their culinary excellence. So, what's a hungry traveler to do? Fuel up before you even leave for the airport. Eat a good, nutritious meal at home or grab something healthy and satisfying on your way to the airport. Think protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. The kind of fuel that will keep you going for hours and prevent those dreaded blood sugar crashes. Pack your own snacks. Seriously, this is a game changer. Airport prices for even the most basic snacks are outrageous. Pack a bag of trail mix, some fruit, granola bars, or whatever healthy treats you enjoy. You'll save money and avoid making unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. Listen up, folks, because this is crucial. Arriving at the airport with time to spare isn't just about avoiding stress. It's about setting yourself up for a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Trust me, there's nothing worse than sprinting through the airport, heart pounding, desperately trying to catch your flight. Aim to arrive at the airport at least 2 to 3 hours before your scheduled departure time for domestic flights, and even earlier for international flights. This might seem excessive, but trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Factor in time for traffic, parking, checking in, going through security, and navigating to your gate. Airports are like small cities, and it can take a surprising amount of time to get from point A to point B. Once you're through security, take some time to familiarize yourself with the airport layout. All right, folks, it's time to face the music airport security. It's the necessary evil of air travel, but it doesn't have to be a stressful experience. With a little preparation and a positive attitude, you can breeze through security like a pro. First things first, have your documents ready. That means your passport, boarding pass, and any other required identification easily accessible. Don't wait till you're at the front of the line to start digging through your bags. Next up, the tech. Before you even get to the security line, remove your laptop, tablet, and any other large electronics from your bags. Place them in the bins provided, along with your shoes, belt, and any jackets or outerwear. Remember those liquids? Make sure all your liquids, gels, and aerosols are in containers no larger than 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, and placed in a single quart-sized clear plastic bag. There you have it, folks. 10 essential things you absolutely need to do before boarding a plane. These tips are designed to make your travel experience smoother, more enjoyable, and way less stressful. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to air travel. By taking care of these essential tasks beforehand, you'll free up your time and mental energy to focus on what really matters, enjoying your trip. So the next time you're gearing up for a journey, remember these tips and get ready to conquer the airport like a true travel ninja. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel advice and adventures. Safe travels, everyone.